Oh, I'm in the wrong lane for what I want to do. Everybody's in the left lane. Okay. Let's go into Ramseur for a few minutes. You like that pink tree? You like those really big trees? Those ancient trees? Let's go look at the bridge, Brooklyn Bridge. Something's happening here. I see flashing lights. Oh, you never know what you're going to see. The fire, well, that's an automobile accident of some kind. Because the car is across the road and there's a truck behind it. My guess is somebody was pulling out and they didn't look correctly, well enough. Yeah, and they're sweeping the road. Yeah, that's an accident. There you go. We got the mowers and the accidents and the EMS and all that, fire people, all rolled into one. So I'll just do what I was going to do, which is go across there and do some food shopping. Alright folks, now I've done my shopping. We're going to kind of circle back the way we came through, wanting to go to the Brooklyn Bridge, but at the same time see if maybe that accident's been cleaned up or not. See, all this traffic is getting circulated, so I can already see the EMS flashing down there. Now this guy thinks he's going to go left into Laughlin Funeral. But they've got the truck is loaded up. The truck that hit the sedan has been loaded up and they just started to pull away. And they're going to have to bring in another tow truck to get rid of the one that was smashed, hit in the side. So we'll have to get down and see the Brooklyn Bridge a different way. There's more than one way to get there. Okay, we're good. Now this camera battery was run down because I forgot to charge it from using it yesterday. And I've got a long recharge line on it, and the actual battery is on the seat next to me and it's working out alright. But fortunately I had two of them because the first one was finicky and kept turning the camera off. It was like they couldn't get used to each other or something. Now, the straight up the hill is the new road for cars, but in the old days when they were dragging a wagon full of stuff, they went around the hill slowly up because you couldn't make the grade. This is the cotton warehouse there. Yeah, man. Just that much change in the steepness of the grade apparently made a difference. You figured that out. You're an engineer, right? We're going to go through town. Ramseur Community Museum in the old bank building. I know it's a bank building because we had one that kind of looked like that in my hometown on Main Street, right at the end of Shop Road. It's like they use the same architectural plans everywhere. Police station to the right for something that used to be like a bank. Looks like we're still closed off. Looks like we're still closed off. Flagger for us. They still haven't finished getting it cleaned up. So we'll have to go the other way. Steve AB4 y'all. Just giving you a taste of modern Ramseur. Saying see you in 73.